Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm preparing for my family coleslaw with tomatoes, and I'm serving it with baked chicken and veggie turmeric rice. Watch me do it. Okay, that's a salad. Now I'm just basting the chicken. Just adding the dripping all over the chicken just to keep it moist and so that it can finish up in the oven, so that it can brown, give it a nice golden brown color. This is gonna do the trick for me here today. Okay, now the rice, veggie turmeric rice. You can follow the recipe that I have on my channel for the turmeric rice, and all you do is add the veggies in, giving it a good stir. Okay, this pot would never let me down. This is my favorite pot. Look at the rice, nice color, bright, colorful veggies. All right, look at that rice. Oh yes, this is it. Veggie turmeric rice with baked chicken, tomato, coleslaw with tomatoes. Oh my word. Now I'm gonna put the chicken back into the oven for a few moments, for about 10 minutes, just so that it can get the color that I want and finish up uncovered this time. Okay, that's the spread right there. Everything is finished. Look at that. That's finished. The rice is nice. That's the salad. And of course, the baked chicken. Oh my word, look at that. For God's sake, that is delicious. Whew. That's it. The chicken is cooked. Perfectly cooked. Nice and moist. That's a serving. That's it. Yes. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it out. Don't forget to check the description box now. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.